Scene script. Have you ever wondered how to start investing in mutual funds? It might seem complex at first, but with a few simple steps, you too can become an investor. Today we're going to discuss the process of investing in mutual funds in a way that's easy to understand and hopefully easy to implement. First, it's pivotal to understand what a mutual fund is. Consider it as a pool of money contributed by multiple investors. This pool is then used to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities managed by professional fund managers. Before diving into the investment pool, however, you need to establish your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, planning for a big purchase, or perhaps creating an emergency fund? The answer to this question will guide your investment decisions. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with the types of mutual funds available. There are equity funds, bond funds, and money market funds, among others. Each has its own risk and return profile. Equity funds, for instance, offer potentially high returns but come with high risk. Bond funds, on the other hand, offer lower returns but are less risky. Choose a fund type that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now, it's time to choose a mutual fund. Look at factors like the fund's past performance, the reputation of the fund management company, and the fees associated with the fund. Remember, past performance is not a guarantee of future returns, but it can give an idea of how the fund has performed under different market conditions. Once you've chosen a fund, you need to decide how much to invest. This will largely depend on your financial situation and goals. A common rule of thumb is to invest no more than you can afford to lose. With your investment amount determined, you can now proceed to open an account with the mutual fund company or through a brokerage firm. You'll need to fill out some paperwork and provide identification. Once your account is set up, you can make your initial investment. And voila, you're now an investor in a mutual fund. But remember, investing is not a one-time activity. Regularly review your investments, adjust your contributions as your financial situation changes, and don't be afraid to switch funds if your current one is not meeting your expectations. In summary, the process of investing in mutual funds involves understanding what mutual funds are, establishing your financial goals, familiarizing yourself with the different types of funds, choosing a fund, deciding how much to invest, and making your initial investment. Regular review and adjustment of your investment strategy are also crucial steps in this journey. Investing in mutual funds can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. It might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of research and planning, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why not take that step today?